So this is the CX programmer shortcut. Open it. Then, so from today we'll be doing the programs in the software. Okay. So make sure everyone has installed the software. It is working fine. Confirm it once again, and please start doing along with me. Okay. It will be easier to you. So now, once you open it, click on File, select New. So now here in the device type, since in our institute we are using CP1E, select CP1E model, okay? Or whichever you're convenient with, take that. So I am convenient with CP1E model. I'll be selecting that. And for the CP1E, network type will be USB, okay? If you're using it in offline mode, if you're connecting the PLC, so you will be connecting it through USB cable, okay? Then give OK. So this is your programming window. Okay. So here the memory type, setting symbols, everything is given. If you want, check it out once. Okay. Next, in the program, you get a new program. In that first thing is for symbols. So here, whenever you use any switches or like NONC contacts, timers, their address types will be mentioned here. Okay. Will be auto mentioned. In the section 1, here we'll be creating the ladder diagram. Okay. And in the end, it's an end line to your ladder diagram program. In few PLC, you need to mention the end line. In few PLCs, there will be inbuilt end line like this. A separate window will be there. Okay. Here in Omron, they are giving a separate end line. Whenever we write ladder diagram, it is very important to mention the end of the program. Okay. Understood?
Okay. After
Okay.
simulation, it won't get automatically. It won't take.
Which one? End?
Yeah, ma'am.
No, in few we have to mention. Few PLCs, not in all the PLCs. Few it will take automatically. Okay. Few in it will be there. See, now this is automatic. They have already given end. I need not to put an end line there. Okay.
Mhm.
Few you we have to mention, especially whenever we are using jump and subroutine. No, that time it
Mm.
is very necessary to mention the end. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, this is the NO contact. This is NC contact. This is for parallel NO contact, parallel NC contact. This is a vertical line if you're individually making a parallel connection. This is horizontal. This is the coil. This is NC coil. This is the functional block diagram. Okay. Now, whenever you want to create any program, select the switch respectively. Then once you select it, just click on this one. It will ask for the address. Now for this Omron CP1E model, wait a minute. I will write the address instructions. Addresses, how to use, what are the different addresses we have. Omron CP1E. So input addresses are, it will start from 0.00 to 0.05. Okay, there is one particular fixed type PLC. It has six inputs and four outputs. Okay, if you take for 10 IO connection, it will be 8 and 12. Okay, so I'll consider this one. So for all CP1E model, the input address starts from 0.00. Okay, and output address 100.00 to 100.03. Okay, then comes the memory address 10.00 to 10.255. To 255 memories you can, like 1 bit memories you can use. Okay, then comes the data for arithmetic operation data address. Okay, they start from D0 to D255. Okay, then timers. Totally 256 timers are there, and counters. 256 counters are there. Okay. And this is the address you have to use whenever you're doing programming.
Ma'am,
Okay.
only this much input only, huh? Like 0.001 to
I
0.05.
said I have taken only 10 IOs. 10 IO connection
10
one. So if you want, you can take 20, you can take 30. Okay. So if I take 10 IO, I have 6 inputs and 4 outputs. Okay. So when I'm connecting to PLC, I can use only this much. Since I'm doing only simulation part, I can go up to 255. Here also 255. Okay.
Ma'am, simulation means what, ma'am?
Simulation means when we are not using any hard external interface. Like now, since we are in online classes, we don't have a physical PLC to connect and to check it, to connect and to check how the program is running. I don't have PLC with me, right? I am just doing it in my system. That is simulation. Okay. Is the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have selected a INO switch. I will place it. Now it is asking for address. Okay. Now here I will give 0.00, then give OK. Now it will ask for a comment. Let's say you want to mention it as a switch or a SW1, whatever name you want to give. So I will give as SW1. Okay. So then give OK. Now take the output coil, place next to it. Now the address is 100.00 and I will give the name as out. Okay. So now this is your input, this is your output. Okay. So now see, wherever you take the output coil, wherever you try to place it, it will sit at the right end side of the rung. Okay. And switches will be placed at the left end of the PLC. Okay. Till here you can place the switches. Okay. Not this side. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So once you do this, so save it. So I'll give it as basic. After saving, go to simulation, work online simulator. Okay. So it will start compiling now. So if you want to individually compile it, you can compile it. Otherwise, directly go to simulation. Okay. Now simulation is started. Once there is no errors, this green color line will come. So this indicates that the current is flowing. Okay. So now you have to on the switch. So right click, there is an option called set, make it on, and your output will be on. Okay. To make it off, right click, select set, then make it off. Okay. Go to simulation. Again, click on work online simulator. It will exit the simulator. Okay. Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
So now it's your turn. Try it out. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay. And please try all the basic gate programming. Okay.
Ma'am, can we every time we need to select those buttons from there only we need to select like NO, NC.
You can copy it also from here. But every time you need to select it.
There is in Delta we just LDI like that we press means
That instruction isn't here. Okay. If you give LDI, the inputs will come. You can mention how many numbers you want. That you can't do here. Okay. It depends upon the software. So see, once you select this one, I can place it here. I'll give 0.00. Again, the symbol is there. Again, I'll place it. I'll give 0.01. Okay. So until I select the cursor, I can place the switch anywhere I want. Okay. This logo once you select this one, the continuously only the NO contact will be there. Now, if I take the coil will come. Please let me know if anyone facing any issues. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give. The question got splitted.
Okay.
I'll share it. Okay. So there are three conditions. Any one switch is on, only lamp one should be on. Okay. And then any two switches are on, only lamp two should be on. Any three switches are on, only lamp three should be on. Okay. Try to solve it. Whoever are trying with software, if you have any issues, please let me know.
Okay, ma'am. Can you show that? Open that question.
Chat. I have put it in the chat box. Check it out. Can see the
No.
screen, right?
Yeah, any one switch.
Okay. I think sir has given this problem to you people.
No.
Okay. Then do it.
Okay.
May I know who are all using the software now? Trying out the basic problems.
Yes, ma'am. I am using now.
You're using now. Don't do this one then. Do all the gates. Let me know if you are facing any issues with that. XOR, XNOR, all those stuff. Once you finish all your homework, then come to this problem, okay?
Okay.
What about others? Only Mallikarjun is telling. Radha Krishna.
Yeah, actually I'm using, but this rung, how to make rung, we don't get.
Rung, you're not getting how to make a rung.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, only NO option. NO is putting and then output also putting, but this line rung network not coming.
Rung network isn't coming. See now. Okay. We'll delete this.
Just make new one, ma'am, one time.
I will show. Okay. Now when you select you'll select a no switch, correct?
Mhm.
You placed it. You gave the address. Okay. Then I have already named it as switch 1. Now I will take the call. I will place next to it. Okay. If you're not doing like this, if you're directly placing it here, you're placing
Yes.
it at this side, left side, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So once you do this,
Then network
now
complete.
can you see a horizontal line symbol?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Now take this one and start placing like this. This will complete your rung. Okay. After clicking on the Mallikarjun, after creating the ladder, then clicking on the simulator, when you that time you are getting that error, right?
Yeah, work online simulator. I pressed that button.
Whenever there is a previous program is running, it
Yeah.
will show that error. Okay.
Okay.
So close everything or click on exit simulator there.
Exit simulator.
One second. Click on simulation below third option. It is there, no? One second. Wait a minute.
Okay. It is disabled condition. Exit simulator. It is disabled condition.
Disabled condition, no? Okay. Now simulator. See, work online simulator. You clicked, correct? That time
Yeah.
it showed error. Then give work online simulator again. You exited the simulation. Then the exit simulator option comes. Now click on that. Didn't get?
No, ma'am.
Still showing the same problem?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me 2 minutes. Gopi, what you have done is wrong. That's why it is showing error. You have done 2 rung in 1 rung. See, Mallikarjun, just close your software. You clicked on exit simulator, that option came.
No, ma'am. That option is still disabled only.
Now click, see, for me also it is disabled, correct?
Yeah.
I'll click on work online simulator. Okay, so it is dumped automatically. Now I'll again click on work online simulator. Now it is not in simulation mode. Okay, once you first time you will click to get into the simulation mode. Again you click on it to get come out of the simulation mode, then only it will come. Okay. If it is not coming, you are still, the code is running inside the compiler simulator. Okay.
I
Yeah.
tried
Then
2,
click
3.
on. Okay.
Exit simulator, still it is in disable condition.
Disable
I
condition.
I will close the software once. I will try again.
You close the software completely, then open it again. Okay. Gopi, see here. Can you see here 0, 1 mentioned? Gopi?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now see here. Can you see here
Hello.
0, 1 mentioned?
Yes, ma'am.
See, now this 0 is representing 0th rung. 1 is representing rung 1 or rung for the second rung. Okay. Now I'll take a switch. I'll connect here. And I'll take a coil and I'll connect here. Okay. Since I gave the repeated address, it is showing error. Okay. Now what I'll do, now can you see here, it is not showing anything in red color. The line is green color only. Correct? See here. So that means what connections you have done, it's correct. Now if I click here, see, in the second rung only, I am doing another connection. In the same rung, I am using again the input-output connection. So that time automatically it will show red color. Okay. You should not do this. This is a error. Okay. So if I use this, it will be showing error and it will not take, it will end here only. Okay. Got it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So now once you finish this line, see this rung has to should has only one out. It should has only one out, one output. Now when you want to place another condition, select the other block. Okay.
So you can connect parallelly, ma'am.
Yeah, you can connect parallelly. If you want to connect parallelly, take
Please
this
connect.
one. Okay. Now I can select this. Okay.
Okay.
But I don't know. Let's take it. See, it got connected, no? Then
Okay.
take it here. And always the ladder diagram output will not get placed in this line. It will always get placed in the first line, on this line only. Okay. So now
Yes.
take the output and place it here. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, this is how we
Okay.
do parallel connection. Now, edit comment option is there, no?
Okay.
There mention the name.
So I'm
Okay.
already given address. We can't able to change now, ma'am.
Yeah, you can change. So there is a edit option, right?
Yes.
So here,
Change address only there, right?
wait, my screen got stuck. So now can you see your comment option?
Yeah,
You
ma'am.
give it as yes2. So it will come. Okay. Others, any doubts? Satya, what have you sent? I didn't understand this thing, pick configuration. What is that? I didn't understand your pick at all. You have placed only rungs.
How to exit a simulation, madam? We make programming on with simulator or without simulator?
We are doing without simulator.
Without simulator, how to exit, ma'am? Once we get online, then how to
Okay.
go out?
Now listen to me, Radhakrishna. First you will create the program, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you'll click on the simulation, correct?
Hmm.
Then you'll click on work online simulator. Now you're in simulation mode. Okay. Now to exit from the simulation mode, click on simulation, work online simulator, click it. So you will come out of the simulation mode. Okay. So if you make any changes in the simulation mode, it will not take. When you come back, it will be gone. Okay.